Today, BigHexa will show you how to retrieve email templates on BigCommerce using Postman. Following this process, you can easily get a list of email templates with all information. Having the information of email templates help business saves time, ensures consistency, reinforces brand identity, increases accuracy, improves efficiency, and allows for personalization. Notice that your store's control panel must be opted into the new email management experience to use the email template endpoints. Email templates allow you to opt in. Retrieve email templates. First, we must open postman.com, log in and choose a workspace. Open a new request and select Get. Now copy and paste the URL. If you want to get a list of email templates from one channel, paste the URL below. Replace with your store hash generated on BigCommerce from the API path. And add the channel ID you want to if you want to get a list of email templates from one channel. Set content type with application JSON. Enter XAuth token in the key column and access token in the value column in the header section. Click Send button to send the API request. Response: the API will return the data of a list of email templates. The above are steps to retrieve a list of email templates in BigCommerce using Postman. Getting a list of email templates using the BigCommerce API is relatively easy. You need to follow the steps that I instructed above. If you have any difficulty or questions at any step, please comment below or refer to our BigCommerce API documentation if you have any questions. Finally, I hope you can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. BigHexa. Connecting applications. Automating processes.